Imagine being 120 feet down in the depths of a cold, dark lake and catching a glimpse of one of the most feared horror villains of all time. Well, that's exactly what happens to many divers every year in Crosby, Minnesota. One of the most ruthless pranks was devised in 2013 when local diver Doug Klein dropped a life-sized statue of Jason Voorhees in Lake Louise. Not only is the lake one of the most popular diving spots in Minnesota, it's also where the Minnesota School of Diving teaches their new divers, meaning there's always a constant stream of new victims for Jason. To make things even scarier, the lake is actually a state-owned mine pit that was abandoned in the 1980s, making the lake eerily darker and colder than its surrounding lakes. Once word got loose of the statue, some other divers decided to join in on the fun, placing other objects like a mermaid, a snowmobile, and even fake skeletons down there with him. To this day, the Jason statue remains at the bottom of the lake, and every now and then, its creator returns to clear away the algae from his eyes and make sure he's looking just as scary as ever.